Now, we now want to look at the importance of humus to plants. Importance of humus. If we say that humus is an important component or composition of the soil, then what is the importance of this humus to plants? One, it is rich in mineral nutrients. It's rich in mineral nutrients. It's rich in mineral nutrients needed by plants. For growth. It is rich in mineral nutrients. Rich in mineral nutrients. And this is needed for plant growth. Two, it absorbs moisture. It absorbs moisture and retains it. It absorbs moisture and retains it for plant growth. For plants growth. So moisture, humus is able to retain moisture. So it absorbs moisture and retains it for plants growth. Number three, it improves aeration of the soil. It improves aeration. Aeration. Please check this spelling of aeration. It's A-E. We call it aeration, even though it has to do with air. We call it aeration. Okay, A-E, aeration. It improves aeration and facilitates. Facilitates respiration in plant roots. Respiration in plant roots. So it improves aeration. So, and it also facilitates respiration, because if it improves aeration, if these are particles of the soil, and the air is able to come in through the air spaces, through the pores, that improvement of aeration will give room for oxygen that is needed in respiration to be available in the soil. So soil organisms need air for respiration. Even respiration also takes place in the roots of the plants. So these are the main importance of humus to plants. So we move from here to look at the importance of another component of the soil. Let's check importance of water. Now, importance of water to plants. Importance of water. Importance of water to plants. One, for transpiration. Water is needed for transpiration. Water is needed for transpiration. Two, as we all know, water is needed for photosynthesis. Water is needed for photosynthesis. And water is also needed for dissolution. For dissolution of nutrients. Water is needed for dissolution of nutrients. It will dissolve nutrients and make it to be absorbable into the body of the plant. Makes it to be absorbable. So water is needed for transpiration, because through transpiration, excess water gets out of the plant. For example, if we have a plant of this nature, and this being the leaf of the plant, we have the leaf of the plant. Coming down, we have the root of the plant. Here and there, and this being the soil level. Now, through transpiration, water comes out of the plant, and excess water is given off. Excess water is given, off. Now, water is also needed for photosynthesis, as we already know that through photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is combined with water in the presence of sun's energy and chlorophyll. So this is very important for photosynthesis to take place. So it's one of the importance of water. Now, water is also needed for the solution of nutrients. Is needed for the solution of nutrients. So we can move from here to quickly look at the importance of air. The importance of air. Let's mention just two importance of air to plants. Importance of air. Importance of air to plants. If air is one of the components of the soil, what is the importance? One, air is needed for photosynthesis. One, air is needed for photosynthesis. Air is needed. So this CO2 that combines with H2O to yield the carbohydrate food, and the oxygen is given off. This is components of air. This carbon dioxide is obtained from the air, so it's needed for photosynthesis. Air is needed for photosynthesis. Two, oxygen in the air. Oxygen in the air is needed for aerobic respiration. The oxygen in the air is needed for aerobic respiration. We all know aerobic respiration, where carbohydrate food is broken down in the presence of oxygen. Is broken down in the presence of oxygen when enzymes are available. So is the breakdown of these food substances using oxygen. So oxygen is used to oxidize the food to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. This energy is in the form of ATP. This energy is in the form of ATP. So air is important to learn because it's needed for photosynthesis, and at the same time it's needed for aerobic respiration.